My favorite part of Slides Create is designing the template. And you can start this as soon as you install, even before you do the gather. Click on Design, and let's create the template. You can keep the default name, or you can change its name to fit the number of students or even the grade level. Click Create and Continue. Now, just a reminder, I am a classroom teacher who loves to code, and to keep this code accessible, I have to add a manual action for you. Click on this link. Open up the Google Slides that was created for you automatically. Go to File, Page Setup. Where it says widescreen, click on it and go to Custom. Change the numbers to 8.5 by 11. Apply.
Let's say you have 29 students and one teacher. Well, you need the 30 photos. But check out the layouts. We have Classic with the title on both pages, Showcase, Scrapbook, 24 Classic, 24 Scrapbook. Ooh, that's nice for 48. Fancy for 72. If you need ideas or would like to use any of these templates, click on this link and browse our selection. Click Generate Layout.
You've just created the 2-page layout for our yearbook. But we're not done designing. Let's move on to color. Search colors by using the arrow. Search colors by name. Preview a list of our color options in Google Slides. Make your choice. And continue. What about your fonts? Click on this link to view available choices. You can always add your own Google font. I like Lucky as Sky. Click Apply. Oh, that looks nice. At this time, we can add decorations and sprinkles, our school mascot. You get the idea. And because I can have more than one template, I have a style guide to help me keep track of them. If I want to go to this link, I can do so. I can also create a second one. This will be for a kinder class that has 19 students and a teacher. I'm going to go through the same process. File, Page Setup, click on the widescreen, go to Custom. My printer wants 8.5 by 11. Next. Ooh, the colors are already here.
I'm going to select 20 students and Generate Layout. I can put pictures on slide 1 and the student portraits on slide 2. Nice.
Let's keep the same colors, the same fonts. Here's my kinder. Ooh, what about 6th grade? That class is large. If you've not already done this, make sure to move each template into your folder so you can be organized. Click the arrow. Select Yearbook. Move. Next to the title, click the folder with the arrow. Click your folder. Move. Notice how we're keeping our yearbook organized in one folder. But what if I want to change the colors and the fonts at one time? Well, click Update Style. I can select all of them, or just one or two of them. Click Continue. Let's go with this color. And I like bangers. Use the same background and color for each template, or mix it up with the same color palette.